Welcome to the Highway 3 Widening Construction Update for July 2024. This expansion project in Essex County, Ontario, will enhance road safety, reduce commute times, and boost economic opportunities in the region. Let's dive into the details. This includes widening 5 existing intersections, adding traffic signals to 3, and resurfacing existing lanes. Highway 3 Widening Project is expanding the highway from 2 to 4 lanes over a 15.6 kilometer or 9.6 mile stretch between Essex and Leamington. The project also entails drainage improvements, including the extension of 6 mainline structural culverts and the installation of additional culverts for modifications to the local road network. The GIP paving team includes Dillon Consulting Limited and WSP for the design, and National Bank Financial Inc. as the financial advisor. This final phase is actively underway, and construction is expected to continue through 2024 to 2027. Previous sections, such as the stretch from Maidstone Avenue to Arner Townline in Essex, were completed in the fall of 2023. Like and subscribe. It's free and promotes the channel to other like-minded viewers. Thanks in advance for the support. The contract was awarded to GIP Paving Inc., formerly known as Coco Paving Inc., a well-established name in the construction industry. Alongside the Highway 3 widening, there are plans for new interchange connecting Highway 401 to Lausanne Parkway. This development will further support regional growth and economic development, making the area more accessible and attractive for businesses and residents alike. The Highway 3 widening project is a vital infrastructure development for Essex County, Ontario, with construction actively underway and expected to continue through 2027. The project promises to bring significant benefits in terms of safety, connectivity, and economic growth. The project has been well received as a critical investment in the infrastructure of Essex County. Welcome news for the 17,300 vehicles that use this route daily. If you travel this section of Highway 3, you understand what a difference this infrastructure will make to your daily commute. I believe this was a long time coming and can't be done soon enough. Let me know what you think in the comments. Stay tuned for more updates on the progress of this important project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates and other informational videos. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.